Boeing 757 aircraft is built with 2 Rolls-Royce engines. The interior is adorned with 24-karat gold finishes.
Registered as N757AF, was manufactured in 1991 and has had multiple owners before becoming part of the Trump Organization's fleet.
A flat-screen TV, a bedroom with a king-size bed, a bathroom with shower,
Trump private jet has custom modifications, especially ultra-luxurious interiors that align with Trump's lifestyle.